Are you ready to take a massive leap forward in your career? With our advanced Figma video course, you will gain access to best practices and tips that took me years to master. This course covers everything, from using Figma efficiently and effectively, making and articulating design decisions, knowing how to approach different types of design projects, to efficient workflows, team collaboration, and preparing your designs for handoff. You might be asking yourself, do I really need a course to master Figma? No, but if you want to accelerate your growth, gain a deep understanding of UX/UI design decisions, and advanced topics like components and systemization, learn from an experienced designer and mentor with a decade of relevant experience behind him, if you want a massive shortcut and the ability to skyrocket your growth, then you do need this Figma and design course. Both Figma and design topics can feel overwhelming, but not to our students. It's the most structured, professional, and practical course we've made, with more than 10 hours of watch, replicate, and learn videos, alongside assignments, solutions, and stellar bonuses. Join thousands of existing and future designers I've taught about design and become a confident designer and an advanced Figma user.